Khynnah Skul juga Nativity Hssm Mawphor benta kasngi kalai tarik yayong ajar posau. Kila Pynshoh Biej iki Paidbah nongwan Paikai ha kasngi pli perdai ka jing rakhe umomer jong ka jing dapsan posnem jong ka jing shakri ka dong ka thany Lyngba ka jing nang jing start. Barkum juru ka jing pli ka annual school sports ajar posau Hamadan juga Nativity Hssm Mawphor. Ha kani kasngi ukongsan ubalawan man pli perda bat penheru ekalama jong ka jing rakhe. Ude uba tilangwa IAS Deputy Commissioner jongka Southwest Khas District, baru ba disenkon District Sports Officer jongka Southwest Khas District kumu sembut kongsan. Ya kani ka jing rakhe la pencit pencengan, ya kani kasngi, daka special item na Khynnah class 1 bat class 2. Kibade jongka Saint Vianney's English section, nang ta ka jing pen ka drill, bat jing shat na Khynnah jongka Higher Secondary School, Secondary section, LP section, bat Saint Vianney English section. Kiwede kibalai don lang hakani kasngi kilong Reverend Father Ewalang, Principal juga Nativity Hssm Mawphor. Menteri Shnong Mawphor, uba RR Lengkhoi, Secretary Shnong Mawphor, uba WL Snaitang, lembar kinahikai Khynnah Skul barim pat kikimikikpa.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big clap. Now the chief guest will hoist another flag, the annual school sports flag 2024.
Occasion and with the best wishes for the successful and meaningful celebration of the Golden Jubilee of the Nativity Higher Secondary School. Thank you.
Lyngba, flag bearer Srimati Itynnad Pynshoh. Brew House bells is saluting the chief guest. The motto of Brew House is, we never lose, either we win or we learn. Approaching the saluting base is the greenhouse group, Julia Grace Marman, flag bearer Lari Meyaka Lengkhoi. Flag bearer, Paidbah.
I'm very happy to be here in your midst. I have known this school for very long time, and now it is my opportunity to be present here, and I've been meeting the principal off and on, and we have been very cordial. We have had very cordial relationship, and we cooperate with each other. and I'm very, very thankful to the management of the Nativity Higher Secondary School for making this program and for inviting me and for celebrating this 50 years of existence of the school. From the speeches that have been given before me, I understand that the school has produced many luminaries in the society who are living here in Mawphor, also those who have migrated outside the district, and they have shown their excellence in their own field of life. I'm very, very grateful to hear that the school has produced many productive, many meaningful, many good citizens from this school. It is all because of the hard work of the teachers, the dedication of the management, and ultimately the laborious efforts made by the students. In this occasion, I would like to encourage the school to move forward with colorful results and to be able to produce more and more meaningful citizens of the country, and also to shine in all walks of life as per the talents given to them by our Creator. We are very, very grateful to also to see the talents of the students from the songs. I'm very, very, I would congratulate the composer of the music, the lyrics of the songs presented by the students just now, a while ago, and the colorful presentation by the kids of the school, which is very, very impressive, comparable to other schools of other towns.